Hello mga kayon. So, nandito na naman si Vinny para sa aking channel, Vinny Becky TV. So, I just wanted to have a quick vlog and also a things that happening to me within this year. So as what you see, I'm returning to work. I was started last 27 dahil nga hirap ang buhay, so still pandemic. So I just wanted to make a quick or brief details of what happening in my life. So I just wanted to brought up sa mga viewers ko na hindi ako masyadong nagbablog, hindi ako masyadong nag-provide ng mga details as of this moment because ang dami kasing senaryo at mga bagay na nangyari sa buhay ko. So, na-operahan ako last 2020, February 2020. Na-lockdown tayo due to pandemic, COVID-19. And then, I was leave of absence for 6 months because ayokong pumasok kasi I'm a vulnerable person and nawala pa yung pinakamamahal kong babae sa mundo last July 3, 2020 sa mismong nangyaring panahon ito, which is my mama. It's been a hard and tough times for me itong nangyayari sa akin. I just still feel yung pain, ang hirap pala na mawala ng magulang, lalo pa sa pandemic na to, and napakaina ng boses ko kasi I don't want to show or pakita na umiiyak ako. Ayokong pakita na umiiyak ako, pero masakit. Random lang tong vlog na to. I just wanted to share my feelings. I just wanted to tell what's really happening. Sasaktan ako. Tapos marami pang mga nangyayari. So I just wanted to be honest or candid sa inyo. So just a quick view. Hopefully mag-is na yung nararamdaman kong pain, pero I don't think so na ganun-ganun kasi everyday umiiyak ako eh. Everyday masakit pa sa akin. Please pray pa. So, salamat mga kapatid, mga kaibigan.